Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create seamless patterns in Adobe Illustrator using the Blob Brush Tool. First, I set up a symmetrical drawing guide. Just add two lines, one horizontal and one vertical, and center them. Now select the layer by clicking the small circle beside it. Then go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform. From there, check Reflect X and make one copy. Now we can use the Blob Brush tool to draw. If you want smoother lines, just double-click the tool and adjust the smoothness settings. I sketched out some simple flowers and leaves. I didn't want very smooth lines, so I could keep a more hand-drawn feel to the design. I drew everything in black at this stage since it's easy to change colors later. Once the drawing is done, select everything and go to Object, Expand Appearance, then Expand, so that the symmetrical parts become fully editable. To keep things organized, I group my flowers, leaves, and stems separately. This way I can color each part more easily. For the pattern block, I added a square the same size as my canvas. I placed it behind my design and resized the artwork to fit inside. In a new artwork, I placed 4 copies of this pattern block in each corner of the canvas. To align them precisely, I added 2 guidelines as a reference. Next, I filled the empty space inside the square with more flowers and leaves. again using the symmetry settings to keep everything balanced. Once the canvas is full, the pattern block is ready. To clean it up, I drew another square the same size, placed it on top, and used Make Clipping Mask to hide the parts outside. This square is the final pattern block. To use it, go to Object, Pattern, Make, and then click Done. You'll find the pattern in the Swatches panel. Now I can apply this pattern to any shape. For example, I filled a rectangle with it. If you want to adjust the size of the pattern, just right-click, go to Transform Scale, uncheck Transform Object, and check Transform Patterns, and adjust the percentage to your liking. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this process of creating seamless floral patterns in Illustrator. Let me know in the comments what kind of patterns you'd like me to try next. Maybe geometric, abstract, or something seasonal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Illustrator tutorials.